What is it like inside this giant pyramid in Las Vegas? I've seen this pyramid, I've driven by it. I never really figured out what was inside until now. So it's basically a hotel. Obviously, there's a pool outside. The lobby level is your typical casino. And then the upper level has this giant spacious area. And I actually went to see Blue Man Group perform here. So there is a pathway to the theater. And by the way, I highly recommend it. I thought it was an incredible performance. It's a mixture of creativity, art, humor, and music, and quirkiness. It's nothing like it. So after that show, I went to explore this area. It has clearly an Egyptian theme. There's a Sphinx inside, there's a Sphinx outside. You can go down these stairs or escalators from that top floor, which has like a couple restaurants. And then you can look around. There's this entrance here, and it's a lot bigger than you think. At first, I was like, okay, that's it. You know, there's a casino, there's a couple restaurants, and a theater at the top. But then I went off to the East Wing and just got lost in this food court. And that eventually brought me out of another hotel.